The VersaArt RE640 is designed to do one thing very well: deliver superior print quality on a full spectrum of media. So whether it's indoor and outdoor banners, calendared vinyl for vehicle wraps, fine art canvas for giclée prints, gloss paper for posters, view-through vinyl, backlit film, and more, you can count on high-quality results. Every print, every time. Our new gold-plated print head fires ink droplets of 7 different sizes for beautifully smooth gradations, high-fidelity photographs, and flawless solid colors. Bidirectional print quality has been improved with a new mirrored firing configuration that leaves no trace of banding. The advanced print technology also dramatically improves contrast, vibrancy, and color reproduction, especially in reds, blues, and greens. The RE640 is equipped with 8 EcoSol Max ink cartridges, twice the ink capacity of previous VersaArt models. A new vertical arrangement saves valuable space, and the double CMYK configuration, along with an optional media take-up system, enables longer unattended runs and overnight printing. The VersaArt RE640 saves money on operating costs every single day. It's ENERGY STAR certified and operates without an additional power supply on a standard household electrical outlet. Advanced features optimize ink consumption, reducing environmental waste and minimizing operating costs. Roland VersaWorks RIP includes a full spectrum of embedded ICC profiles, making it easy to get great results print after print on virtually any Roland media. VersaWorks has an easy-to-use graphical interface and yet has a variety of powerful functions including print time estimators, ink consumption, variable data printing, and the Roland Color System Library.